I totally got him.
Click from there. No, go back with
Good. It's bad now. You might want to have him move under the foot. Don't move. That's the point. It's really shoot up into the wall.
No, because if you're out more, you're going to go flying forward, hit, and then shoot up.
Go ahead and take a fall right there. Just let go.
Okay. That's on top rope.
Okay. Too much of a back up.
Okay.
You gotta let it like really happen.
Really happen? Alright.
Just stop it from hitting the ground.
Man, I'm videotape right now.
I take a bigger fall. Yeah. It's kind of big though.
I think that's a lot bigger than you were expecting.
And I was there. You had a little bit of
Like
slack.
you said, oh, they have like a 90-pound.
I just let go because I knew if I thought about it too much, I wouldn't do it.
At least that's what he says.
Okay, so you're going to want to kind of swing into the wall.
Barely.
Right, just sit in your harness and take up as he pulls up.
No, take it.
I'm not sure until you let go.
Oh, God. More important now.
It's more easier, but
He doesn't let me.
Jimmy, if you need to pee, just go now.
there you go. Just climb up there and rest, and then you can go up above and take it.
I got.
How high am I going then?
We'll find out.
The moon.
You handled it.
Fourth place for the small fall. Climbed up. Even small fall.
I'm just like,
What's the highest you can go
Right
in?
back foot.
Hold it up.
you're going to go, but like,
What?
you're going to go at least, you're probably go first round. Almost guaranteed.
I'm getting used to this. I'm hearing it's gonna happen to you.
A lot more.
Send that to me.
All right, why don't you take a rest there? Go ahead, just sit.
I already took him flying up.
Sit. Hang there.
James, what happened to the music?
Hang.
What?
What happened to the music?
We're closing, man.
So?
Doesn't mean you have to turn the music back. Just kick everybody out who's not in the class. What? Just tell everyone to leave who's not in the class.
Don't kick out Tommy, I'm giving him a ride home.
Yeah, boy, that has
Yeah, make him wait outside actually.
You ready?
How high am I going?
Just climb up so that the bolt is around your knees.
I think that's all we need.
That would be fun.
It'll be fine.
You
You won't have to worry about his head.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Take a step
I can
forward.
watch my head.
No,
No,
you don't.
Just make sure you keep that brake hand on there, buddy. Okay, go ahead. Ready? Brake hand on.
Go ahead.
This is like the most extreme fall Jimmy will probably ever catch.
That was so thick. I don't think we can go any further.
That was-
No, he